Hello everyone. Welcome today on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday. Monday, January the 4th, 2021. We have only a regular Sudoku, and this Sudoku is a Sudoku Medium. And there's also in this puzzle page extra Sudokus. We have here also Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic, binary number 2, tectonic number 2. So 8 extra Sudokus, but 1 regular Sudoku, and it's a Sudoku medium. Let me focus this puzzle. Yes. Focus again. Yes. All right. And this will be a number. Let me find my. This will be number 2107. Yes, medium Sudoku. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. But lately, the publisher has published all the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Let me check how many there are in this medium Sudoku. We have here 4. 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20, 22, 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. 26 printed digits. So if you compare, it's a 2 stars Sudoku, because the 1 star Sudoku has 27, the 2 stars 27, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, there are a lot of ones. So let me start with the one in this column, one in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the one should be here. Oh, there we see there one, no one there. One should be here. And then I stranded. I cannot continue with the one. I fought a lot of ones. Alright. How about the number? Yes. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 5 should be there. Oh, I've moved the camera. Apologies. Let me focus again. Yes. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in the first column. Those numbers are, the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 there in the first row. So no 4 and an 8 in this box. The 4 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Yes, 2 is missing. 4 and 8. Alright, how about 6. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above both, the only place for a 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8 are missing. 6 and the 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Let me see. Well. We have 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 there, so the 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 7 and 3. Let me mark those again for you so you can easily follow. All right. We have a 9 in the third row, a 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. We see here 5 and a 6, so no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So 1 digit left for the number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for the number 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. We see there 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 3 and the 8 are missing now. We see a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 there. The 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 2 boxes are left for in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. These 2 numbers in the second row are left for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. How about the number? Yes, 3 missing numbers here. In the second column, those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and 8 there. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 9. Alright. How about... Let me see. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 9. 1, 4, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 here in the last row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 9. Alright. Then. Needs to be an 8. Okay. Let me see. Yes, we see here an 8 in this column, an 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 7 and 2. Here, 7 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then 7, 5, 7, 1, 5. Okay. 7, 7. Let me think. 4, 5, 6. I made a mistake here. I see 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here in this big square, so it should be the numbers 7 and 3. Yeah, 7 and 3. This is a 7, I believe, yes. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3. We see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for 7 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this big square. We see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1, okay. 6, 5, and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 4 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing in this big square. 4, 6, 9. Yes, 4, 6, 9. We see here 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this row, the 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, and look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. And the last 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. Great. A Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Yes. Until then, have a good day, great day, and bye-bye for now.